What if I told you that nearly 50,000 Americans are alive today because of crash tests? Sounds unbelievable, right? To prove just how much car safety has improved, researchers recently crashed a 1996 Chevrolet Blazer and compared it with a 2026 Chevrolet Blazer. The result was shocking. In one SUV, the driver would likely walk away. In the other, survival would be extremely unlikely. Here's what happened. Back in the 1990s, most new vehicles already passed government crash tests, so everyone assumed they were safe. But researchers at the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, discovered something alarming. Real-world crashes looked very different from the crashes being tested. Many serious accidents involved only part of the front of the vehicle. Others were severe side impacts or rollovers. Those crashes were causing thousands of injuries and deaths every year. So in 1995, IIHS introduced its own crash testing program based on real accident data instead of simple laboratory requirements. That decision completely changed how cars are built today. To demonstrate just how far safety has come, IIHS recently performed one of its most dramatic crash tests ever. A 1996 Chevrolet Blazer versus a 2026 Chevrolet Blazer. The difference wasn't just noticeable, it was unbelievable. Let's start with the 1996 Blazer. The moment it hit, the front structure failed to absorb enough crash energy. Instead of the vehicle sacrificing itself, the passenger compartment began collapsing. The dashboard pushed violently toward the driver. The steering wheel moved backward into the dummy. The footwell collapsed, leaving almost no room for the driver's legs. The crash forces were so severe that the crash test dummy's head actually broke off during the impact. That shows just how violent the impact inside the cabin really was. In a real crash, the driver would have suffered catastrophic injuries. Now look at the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer. The difference is incredible. The front of the SUV crumpled exactly as engineers intended. Those crumple zones absorbed most of the crash energy before it reached the occupants. Instead of collapsing inward, the passenger compartment remained almost completely intact. The steering wheel stayed in position. The dashboard barely moved. The driver's survival space remained protected. Airbags deployed at precisely the right time. Seatbelts tightened instantly. According to IIHS engineers, the driver would likely walk away with little risk of serious injury. So why are modern cars so much safer? Many people think a stronger car should never bend, but that's actually the opposite of good crash engineering. Modern vehicles are designed to crumple. The front of the vehicle sacrifices itself by absorbing crash energy. That reduces the forces reaching the passengers. Meanwhile, the cabin is built like a protective safety cage using ultra-high-strength steel. Around that safety cage, advanced airbags deploy in milliseconds. Seatbelts tighten before occupants move forward. The steering column collapses safely, and all these systems work together to protect the people inside.